Hi everyone, my name's Jays Will. I'm from IQVIA. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the value of a data catalog and how we can help unleash that value of the data catalog. It really lies in the approach. While most organizations have enabled at least one catalog solution, many struggle with adoption and demonstrating value. The goal of a data catalog is to make it easy to find data, understand what that data represents, discover where it's used, and protect its usage with governance processes, and to ensure compliance with contracts and regulations. Typically, some form of data marketplace approach is also used to satisfy the goal of exposing information to business or technical users in the way that works for them. Frequently, catalog implementations are treated as an integration project. Technical data sources like your data lake or your business intelligence tools are connected to the catalog, and their metadata and any data lineage is harvested. Once all the desired integrations are set up, the catalog is declared complete and released to the organization with all kinds of fanfare about the number of data sources consumed and the tens of thousands of data assets that are in the catalog. When the curious business user comes along, logs into this catalog, and is met with a bunch of tables and columns with little or no business context at all, and nothing to help them understand what they're looking at, their perception is that the data catalog is just another useless tool to them, and they never go back to it. And what makes it even worse is if there's a lack of governance and the data quality is questionable. That only further drives away potential users. Since most of your users are going to be in the form of business functions, care needs to be taken to provide them with the best data possible, presented in a way that they can understand in non-technical terms. Often questions about the value of a catalog can arise from things like a lack of business context, the quality of metadata, the data ownership ambiguity, or the catalog just simply not meeting business user expectations. These shortcomings tend to be due to a lack of engagement of data experts or gaps in what the business is readily available. It's not unusual that gathering the business context is avoided because it's time-consuming, and the implementation team identifies it as work that can be done by the business after implementation. And it's this mindset that prevents the data catalog maturity from progressing. Data catalog software is an enabler, and it's important to understand that it does not necessarily create governance processes where there are none, or find people that can take responsibility for the set of data assets. To be successful, time is needed to understand the use cases to be solved and for whom you're trying to solve them. The team will need to talk with the intended audiences and really understand how they will interact with the data catalog. What data do they want to see? How do they want to see it? And understanding that there may be different presentation needs for different personas. Having that ongoing stewardship to keep the information current and correct and relevant to the audience is critical to maintaining that user base. As assets or processes are added, changed, or deprecated, those updates need to be made in a timely manner. Having key roles like data owners and data stewards defined and aligned to your assets is of the utmost importance. Building a quality data catalog is an ongoing process, not a one-time project. When you're ready, we can show you the solutions we have to speed your journey by providing services, templates, and business context that can make your catalog more relevant sooner.